Okay, so I guess we're all very ready now. We are already at 8 month. So, good morning, everyone. I'm hoping that we're all ready and having a great morning, even though it is very cold this uh, rainy season. So, I hope you're doing fine and stay comfortable as of God for the invocation to be followed by the Philippine National Anthem and the CIPU hymn. So maybe ask the technical committee to begin the opening rites.
On this day, help me, God, to see that my life is a gift, that my health is a blessing, that this day is filled with awesome potential, that I have the capacity to bring something wholly new and unique and good into this world. On this day, help me, God, to remember to be kind and patient to the people who love me and to those who work with me too. Teach me to see all the beauty that I so often ignore and to listen to the silent longing of my own soul. On this day, help me, God, to always remember you. Grant me the grace to move on, God, with joy and love. Amen.
All hail maroon and gold, thy colors unfold. All royal technologians, whose hearts are strong and bold. All hail maroon and gold, on breezes he set, thy sight we love. All hail, all hail, all hail. All hail, maroon and gold, to thee we shall cling, through all the years and ages, thy praises we will sing. All hail, maroon and gold, thy strength near shall fail, for thee will die. All hail, for thee will die. All hail, all hail.
Maayong buntag mga ME Tech Noise! I am John Rabanto, a fourth-year mechanical engineering student. And for those who don't know me, you can call me Abans, John, or Lloyd. pero if makalimot ka gani, just call me yours.
And I am Christian Breath Vargas, your Masters of Ceremony for today.
Okay, so today is a rainy day and I'm happy to see nga bisag sa bugnaw nga panahon karon game gihapon nga magipag-abi-abi ning atong mga new JPSA members. I would also like to acknowledge the presence of our beloved faculty guest, Engineer Roberto P. Base. Good morning, sir. Hello, Brad. Mag-unsa siya dito karong adlaw?
Nakalimot mo ko abanto oy kay lami karong to ganina because very rainy. But ang akong nadunggan nga chismis is naa daw tay ready for take-off nga club launching for the JPSME organization. So, unsa man ni siya about abanto?
Well, you are correct, Brad. This day, atong mga ates and kuyas from the JPSME kay nag-prepare or a little bit of presentation to entice and encourage their fellow ME Technois to join the different clubs of our organization, the Junior Philippines of Mechanical Engineers. Dili na ta magdugay-dugay pa or patason nato maayo ang kaning atong introduction. Can we now start with our program, Christian Brad?
So, for our program proper, we will be starting off by introducing our very own ME chair. And karon lang a year is inducted siya to be the assistant dean for our College of Engineering and Architecture in CIT University. May we call on ang bungan o ang Iron Man sa ato ang department, Engineer Roberto P. Basi Jr. So virtual applause please.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much, Christian and JL, Jan Lloyd. All right. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, actually, although it's raining in my place. But it's nice because it's not it's cold in here. Yeah, plus electric fan plus kilit sa mota kabugnaw. Well, anyway, first of all, I'd like to say thank you to JPSME for holding this activity. This is very actually important for the students' life, no? For every one of you. I remember during my time when I was still a student like you, this is the fun side of being enrolled in CIT or in any institution for that matter. In joining a club or a student organization is actually worthwhile because it's the place or the venue where you will be developed into a better person. You will learn a lot of things on how to do a lot of things too. Leadership will be developed, the leadership skills will be developed, the ability to communicate well, to be socially aware, and emotional quotient too will also be developed while joining clubs or student orgs. I believe that student orgs' main purpose of existence is, number one, to make your years in CIT or in any higher education institution fun-filled, okay? And second is to learn new skills. Probably some of you have already acquired that, but I believe there is a need also to hone and develop it more. Joining also in any club will also help you get out from your comfort zone. I understand that when you become an officer or an active member of any club, you will also have to sacrifice a lot. You need to, spare time for student activities, planning, implementing, of course, that involves also dealing with different personalities, and that's normal. That is why I said it's an area also where you can develop your emotional quotient. When you start working in industry or in any nature of job in the future, you will be dealing with different people and different personalities, different attitude, different disposition of one's life or attitude for that matter. So if you are already exposed to these different types of behavior people, while you were still a student, or you are still a student, chances are you'll be a good leader. Chances are you'll be a good influencer in any organization. So that's what we need. That's what we need you to become. When you leave the portals of CIT or you leave college life, it's my heart's desire that you become leaders. You'll become influencers, okay, when you become professionals. Taking a big role in any organization, taking or holding higher responsibilities. So that's what I desire for all of you. So that is why I encourage our students, especially our freshmen who are new to us, okay? Of course, involving all the rest, like the second years, the third years. Of course, the fourth years, I know you. You're very active. I'm even very happy to have you in our institution, in our department. As I mentioned in many times in the past, our president, university president, has always mentioned GPSME and what you're doing. He recognized all of those efforts that you have put in any activity. And thanks to Ralph for starting this, right? In the past, GPSME is not that known during admin meetings. But during the time of Ralph, of course, Michael, and now with ICE, GPSME is really a known student organization. I don't know if you've noticed that when the president made his message, gave his message, there was actually a meeting for CIT community. Malimtunon ako. But anyway, the last activity that we had was a meeting with the president and all other members of the community of CIT. And he acknowledged the Metalino. Because that's the peer learning program is actually it was him who initiated that. And it's just so happened that I was the head of the Office of Admission and Scholarships at that time. And so he gave me the responsibility, or he challenged me to start the program. Okay, of course, with his guidance. So we invited the Farid Nolan. Farid Nolan is the one who inspired Sir Bernick to come up with a peer learning program at CIT University. So we invited him to come to CIT to talk to the peer mentors. So it started from there, and then we duplicate this with the other departments, and the ME department is the one who was easily noticed because at the time sila ni Desa, isa pa to nag-first nag-lead ani John Lloyd, sila Desa, no? O sila Desa nag-unani. Isa pa ikaw ni Desa? I'm sorry for that. I'm not really good at this. Kamu to nag-unani, right? When you were awarded ba?
Yes, sir. With Adrian, sir, and our...
Adrian, yes. Oh.
And the rest of the Metalino officers, sir.
Yes, it was during the time of Desa, and there's so many people involved actually. Sorry not to mention your names here, huh? My apologies, my serious apologies. Of course, Ralph made actually a very good guidance or leadership role at the time. So, and that is being duplicated, no? Replicated by Michael and now by ICE. And I'm very happy for that. So, well, I'd like to encourage all of you, especially our freshmen, second years and third years. Sorry to mention the apilo ng third years because wa man ko kita gyud ninyo, no, when kind of physically, involved in the our student organization, which is GPSME. And not unlike with the graduating class this school year, I've known them very well. I saw them many times at the consultation room, conducting meetings, brainstorming, all of those things. Well, anyway, so I encourage you all to participate, to be part of any of the clubs of our ME. One day, I'm desiring that it's not only the Metalino that will be made known in the university, but also the other clubs that we have, like the robotics, those athletics clubs that we have, right? And the Gavel Club, that's also actually made known to our president. And so I'd like to see that one day these clubs also will be recognized as one of the best practices in the university, not only Metalino. So freshmen, I don't know how many of you are here. So be part of any of our clubs, okay? And I'm sure being involved actively, not just for the sake of being a member, but actively involved in any clubs that we have, I'm sure you'll become a better person. And those hidden talents that you have there, for sure, manggawas na silang tanan with the help of your atis and kuyas, no? Guiding you in what to do in your clubs. So be part of any club, all right? So let's get ready. We'll take off. So I hope to see more of you actively participating in any of the clubs of GPSME. All right, so that's all for now. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for having me here.
All right, thank you so much, Sir Base. Indeed, you are the Iron Man of our department, no? Pero remember, jud ko sa una before katong F2F pagod ang setting, how charismatic you are, sir. And tugod good anak, kay naka-join good multiple clubs on my freshman pa lang na years. Ikaw, Brett, what was your memory with Sir Base?
To share with a memory about Sir Base is pag February 14, Valentine's Day 2019, I guess, then tell siya siyang story about how he found his love with his partner now, and nikanta siya something about when God made you, he must have been thinking about me. So lingon siya nga we were made by God so that ma-meet nato siya and to meet our friends here in the community. And to continue, fasten your seatbelt and get ready for takeoff with our JPSME talk. So may we request our technical committee to share the screen.
I hear no audio from you, Ice.
Hello, ay kana murag na. Good morning. Yes, good morning. So may I request the technical team if it's okay that I'll do the share screen, if that's okay. Thank you. So sorry kaayo guys, no, kay naay blackout sa amua. So I am really happy nga nakaabot pa ang akong battery sa phone and my laptop sa part nako sa program. So thank you kaayo. So can I request the host to allow me to share screen? Thank you. So good morning everyone. So sa mga wala pa kaila and to everyone in the room, I am Joyce A. Almogel, and thank you so much for John Lloyd and Brett for introducing me. And I am also the current president of the JPSME CITU. Then thank you sa kaayo for Mr. Roberto Base, to Engineer Angelo Asenas, and to Ma'am Sheila Birin for being here with us this morning. And sa thankful jud kami ani permi sa among advisors, atong advisors guys, and also to our chair, Mr. Base, Engineer Base, kay permi jud tatagaan og words of encouragement and inspiration to padayon na gid ta sa atong gibuhat, and also sa ACADS and organizations. So today I am tasked by our project coordinator to talk about JPSME, but more on its membership. So what is JPSME? So a lot of people know that we have the organization JPSME, but its real name is So iyang panganjud kay Junior Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers of the Cebu Institute of Technology University chapter. So there are different PSME units all across the Philippines. So most of the universities nga na ay ME departments, they also have their PSME units. So dili jud mo ang CIT. We also have our JPSME units. So anong na ay JPSME? So what is the nature of JPSME? So this presentation, guys, is based on the constitution of the JPSME CITU. So on the Article 1, Section 2 of our Constitution, the JPSME CITU chapter shall be the governing body and the representative of the BS Mechanical Engineering students of the CITU. So we serve as the voice and also the bridge of the students and the faculty of the ME department. So our goal is to maintain the harmony between the two bodies, the students and the faculty. And how will we achieve that harmony? Unsa man nato na siya pag-achieve siya? So JPSME shall develop a responsible student body. It also shall uphold academic freedom, promote the practice, unity, and integrity among the students, create a bridge, this is what I've mentioned, of cooperation and harmonious relationship among the students with the ME faculty and administration, and also preserve the honorable reputation and glorious tradition of the institution. So that's why, guys, we are having activities, we are having webinars for the ME students, and we are also having meetings with the faculty. We have talked with ME marag this year sa kaninga term kay wala pa ta naka-talk with ME, but talk with ME started from the term of our previous president, Mr. Michael Aranya. So it is a meeting between the faculty members, and also we have our students with us. So it is an exchange of opinions, concerns, where the students can voice out their concerns politely, and also there are faculties from the ME department that can also answer their concerns. So that's one of the activities nga makabuhat aning part sa JPSME to create harmonious relationship between the students and the faculty. So how can we further obtain the goals and the objectives of JPSME to uphold the kanang to produce amazing students? So we have here from Article 2 of Section 3 from our Constitution that the JPSME create activities that are steered toward being a lifelong learner through quality education. So as you can notice, especially to our first year, sa atong freshmen, bisag bag-o pa nagsugod ang school year, sa atong academic year, we already have a lot of activities that are concerning you guys, and we also have their other BSME students from different levels. So we also have developed programs that promotes professionalism and career growth. So this part, ari mosud ang ato ang mga webinars, technical webinars, where we will invite professional speakers that can help us with our career growth that are concerning with our profession. So BS Mechanical Engineering. Also, the duties of JPSME is to build character and enrich its members with self-development, reach out to the needs of the society through social commitment, and bring out the spirit of teamwork and good friendship among its members. So, nindot unta to kaayo og face-to-face pa, since we can conduct acquaintance nga lahi ra gyud ang acquaintance ba if kana magkita gyud ta. But don't worry, guys, because even though we are in our blended setup, that we're going to make that possible and make that happen. So dito jud mabalaka anang mga activities nato. So next is what are the perks of being a JPSME member? So ngano di pwede naman nga di ko magpa-member, mag-ME lang ko, mag-apil-apil lang ko, kanang ano magpa-member pa man ko JPSME. So we have perks, guys, and we have a lot of advantages if you are a member of JPSME. So first one is JPSME will bring you and help you join useful webinars. So unsay na sa useful webinars at the eyes. So it is a real experience, guys. Sa una kay during face-to-face classes at the eyes kay di jud mo apil og kanang mga seminar ba. Kung katugon ko kay sige di lang sa ako mo-apil anang seminar kay seminar bitaw. But then when the year come, mga third year sa the eyes or second year, na-realize na ko nga how useful the certificates na imong ma-acquire sa seminars, especially when the seminars are all about your course, about PSME, or about career path, or example, webinars about programming. So na-realize na mo nga it is very useful nga naa kay certificate sa inana nga webinar nga naka-apil kag inana nga seminar, since magamit jud siya, guys, for all your applications puhon if you want to apply for a part-time job or if graduate na ninyo, ma-apil jud siya sa inyong kanang CV or curriculum vitae. So nindot jud if you also have a lot of certificates sa webinars or seminars nga inyong naapilan. So it is very useful. And also, dili lang ang certificates, but also the experience and the learnings that you will acquire through that webinar. So unsa pa may laing perks at ayos mo ra na webinars ra. So natay daghan, guys. So you can join our clubs for free. Nawa siya. So you can join our clubs for free. Katong gi-mention ni Sir Base ganiha, we have Metalino. Nya, we have another clubs that we will introduce later. So ngan for free, ngano for free man ti ay. So if you are not a GPSME member or you are not from the ME department, kay magpabayad ang atong clubs of registration fee, since it hold nila activities, kay they also have to spend money and funds for that. So for your registration, kay you will pay for registration fee. But if you are a member of JPSME, kay wala na, you are free to join any of the clubs that you would like to join. So other perk is dili na siya mo gawas. So JPSME activities. So we have a lot of JPSME activities, guys, that where you can acquire amazing prizes. So katong mga activities nato pag welcome week, warm up pa to, nag-stretching pa ta ato. So there are taas pa kayo ng atong academic year, and there are a lot of activities to come na that na ay mga activities that are exclusive for JPSME. We also have activities that appeal ang SSG nato or other departments, then maki-join ang JPSME. So there will be a lot of JPSME activities. So you are free to join that, especially mga raffle na to, mga prizes. Mo dyan na pang bingwit sa uban, guys, ang mga raffle prizes. So you are very free to join that if you are a JPSME member. And the last perk is that you will have or avail merch discounts. So para di ay sa trailer, teaser para sa tanan, we will be soon launching our own JPSME apparel. So our JPSME apparel, of course, di siya free, but we will give exclusive discounts to all our JPSME members. So, muna guys, pangapil naman sa atong growing family, and para sa gingon ni Sir Base kay it is really useful. It is where also you can create connections. I remember almost all of our professors from college, from CITU, kana sila Sir Base, uban na mga teachers pag first year pa lang kay permi na sila mag-mention about, okay guys, kanang since you are in college na, in university, start building connections. So naka-realize mi nga ay usa ang organization sa among pag-build of connection. So it is a really nice kanang area or avenue to build and expand your connection, guys. Dili lang mo mapabilin ara sa classroom, but also you will meet a lot of people inside the JPSME and inside your very own clubs puhon kung namoy ma-joinan. So how to be a member. So dagan kay perks ang JPSME. Oy, murag naganahan na ba mo guys? Can I see a reaction if naganahan na mo join sa JPSME, or murag bati ato wala man mi ganahin. So can I see, di man di ko kakita reaction because I am doing the share screen. So so how to be a member na curious na ang tanan? Sige, let's go. So for JPSME membership, ano siya di ay guys, meet tiknoy og tiknay. Joke na to siya guys. Okay ra. So we have here the first requirement for you to be a JPSME member is for you to be an ME Teknoy. So unsay ati ay unsa man ME Teknoy? So an ME Teknoy, first, kailangan you are a bona fide student of CITU. Kailangan enrolled ka in the CIT University. Then also, you are a BSME student inside CITU. Sorry for the typo. So CITU na siya guys. So meaning, you are a BSME student under CITU. So if you are a BSME student and you are from CITU, then you are very much capable and you already have what it takes to be a member of JPSME. So pa-member na mo guys. Then another requirement is na siya man next. So another requirement is for you to file membership form. So nganong nigid man og membership form ati Ice? So for a membership form, it is not only a documentation that you are really a member, but also it will serve as that data or tally for us to give you your certificates as an official member of the JPSME. So if kanang nagthink ganahan mo nga magpa JPSME member niya, kutob ra mo sa nagunahon na, wa mo ni file og membership form kay di Japon siya mga JPSME member guys. So file na mo og membership form, asa na siya makita ang membership form. So at our JPSME page, if you already have visit our JPSME page, its name sa Facebook is JPSME CIT University. If wala pa mo naka-visit, then please do visit now, hit like and share our posts. So we have there our posts regarding the JPSME membership drive for the school year 2021. Then we have there in the caption the registration form, which you will fill up anytime. You can fill it up anytime bisag dili pa mo mobayad sa registration fee. So atong kuan karon, atong motto karon kay register now, pay later. So it's really okay guys nga mo kanang ingon mo na mo nga later na mo bayad, as long as naka-fill up na mo sa inyong registration form. So that will serve as your membership form, so that mo-process na ang inyong certificates and membership inside JPSME. So, not a registration fee at the eyes. Yes, we will have registration fee. Why? Because we will use it for our funds also sa atong mga activities and upcoming webinars. So, asa man na siya makita ang membership fee at the eyes? So we have membership fee here. Stated in our constitution, our old members or katong mga mag-renew na lang sa ilang membership is for 100 pesos. Then sa new nato is 150. But because of our new setup, we know that everyone's going through a lot sad. So we give a discount for this setup sa old members or sa mag-renew na lang sa ilahang membership. We give them 50 pesos. And sa atong new kay for 75 pesos. So unsa man yung mga new members katong wala pa jud mo na members sa una sa JPSME guys. So kasagaran ani nila kay mga freshmen. So if na mo yung record of being a JPSME sa CITU sa una, kay you can avail the membership for this school year for 50 pesos. Then mode of payment is you can send it through GCash or you can send it through Mloylir. Same ragid ang taon na inyong padadaan, Philip Cesar Mante. He is our VP Finance. So siya magunit sa tanan natong finances, all our budgets inside JPSME. So kanang sa iyang daghan pa ni siya kanang sud sa iyang GCash ron nya mahilak ni siya kay dili iya ha. So thank you kaayo so much, Philip. And you can also see here his number. Kay sa GCash guys, no, if everyone's not familiar, sa GCash kay number na siya ang imong i-type as sendan and makita nimo ang name. Sa Mloylier daw kay name ra sad daw og number sa imuhang patadaan. So these are the mode of payments, guys, and the recipient of the payment. So if you have any further questions, you can always ask your ates and kuyas inside your GC, or you can ask your batch representatives, since we already have our batch representatives, to ask or i-ask inyong mga pangutana so that we can also answer them. And sa proof of payment, of course, we have proof of payment. You can send any form of proof like screenshots sa receipt sa GCash or pictures sa inyong receipt sa Mloylier. You can send any of that in a photo format, or if ganahan mo i-PDF yun, you can also do that. Then we have here the link. The link is bit.ly.gpsme payment. Then it is also found in the post of GPSME CIT University in case makalimot mo, gikapoy pa mo karon og kanang tan-aw sa link. So you can always visit GPSME CIT University to see this post and to inquire sa the GPSME University page. Medyo na siya, reply na siya, guys. So when is the deadline? So the deadline that is stated in our post will be on September 12, 2021, but it will be extended up until October 23, 2021. Why will manong gi-extend ba na? So wa pa man jud mi kwarta, guys. So joke bitaw, guys. So kanang the deadline is extended because it is stated in the constitution of JPSME that all the payments for memberships shall not be over or dili daw malapas sa last week of third week of October. So to follow the constitution, we extended our deadline up until October 23, 2021. So okay ra gid kaayo, guys, that example nagunahuna mo nga ay okay dili sa ko mo register karon kay wala pa koy ikabayad or di pa ko ganahan mo bayad nya di lang sad ko mo fill up sa registration form. So kanang we encourage guro if everyone who really wants to be a member of JPSME to register or to fill up the registration form. Kay dili raman mo i-dali to pay, and also if maka-realize mo puhon nga dili mo ganahan ma-member, kay if wala mo ni bayad sa membership fee kay dili ra sad counted ang registration. So para guro dili mo makalimot og fill up sa registration form, which is very important for your certificates or for the documentation of your official membership, kay it would be better if you guys would fill up the form now na or later. Basta ka na makahinumdum pa mo, guys. Ayo, walay angay dugayan. So now that we know the registration form link, the proof of payment link, and how you can pay for your registration, let's go to the different clubs of JPSME. Okay, para jud maganahan jud ta magpa-member. So what are the different clubs of JPSME? I'm sure everyone in this room, or not everyone, but most students in this room are already maybe not familiar, but nakabati na sa mga pangan sa uban clubs since we already posted the club membership weeks ago pagsugod sa atong welcome week. So our first club, we have here the Metalino. So mo ni siya ang katong gi-mention ni Sir Base ganina, Metalino. So Metalino conducts online tutorials, especially helpful jud kay ni. I personally attest to this. It is very helpful samot na kanang mga major exams. So Metalino conducts kanang online tutorials before major exams. So you have a time, or you have a perfect place to review with your classmates and with the Metalino tutors nga kanang ma-review mo nya, ma-practice pagid mo og solve since mag-give sad sila og sample problem. So it's a really great club, guys, to learn and to expound your knowledge. And kanang if naamoy na skipan ba nga class, or if naamoy wala kaayo na sabtan, or naamoy ganahan pa mahibaw-an kanang ganahan mo i-expound inyong learning. Hala, di ko wala lagi ko makontenta ni ganahan ko ma-learn pa. So you can always join Metalino, guys, kay marag manghatag sa nas like strategies on how to kanang mo solve easily sa ubang problems ana. So atong mga Metalino members kay mga Metalino sad. So our next club is the Gavel Club, which is modeled or patterned after Toastmasters Club. So we're per me makabati from our professors and from other speakers that sa una nga ang mga engineers daw are not that good in speaking. So manay common pod nga isulti sa mga tao before. So we have Gavel Club in order for us to practice and to enhance our speaking skills. So ang Gavel Club, guys, kay dili ka nang feel na ko kay dili ni sila tabian. Di jud ni mga tabian ng mga Gavel Club. So it's a really nice place to practice your speaking skills, communication skills, and also your listening skills. So nindot jud siya ang Gavel, guys. Dili if hilumon mo kay apil mo og Gavel Club kay dili sa naslalangasan. So we have here Robotics Club. So Ate Ice, nganong na Robotics Club? So we have a mechatronics man nga track sa or major sa BSME, no. So we have the CS and we have also the mechatronics. So the Robotics Club is opened not only for the mechatronics people or the ME people, but our robotics club is open for everyone, but they have a limit numbers sa ilang members. I forgot about their limitations. Basta nag-set sila limits, ratio nila ang ilang possible tutors and sa ilang possible members so that also they can accommodate everyone in their club. And also we have here the MELI, or this is our club for esports. So we don't only have clubs for our academics to enhance our speaking skills, but we also have clubs where we can enjoy or we can play. So sa una di ay, guys, kay katong bago pa naabot ang pandemic, kay I am really thankful for this club kay murag wala naman ta atoy mabuhat sa samot na kato murag ga problema na ang mga tao ga among us mi, guys, murag it's very nice a feeling to hear your classmates nga kanang dugan na nimong wala nakita nga gaduwa mo even though it's online. So murag it's really nice to play with your classmates kanang koan sometimes lang ay lang per me kay murag magtuon sad ta. Char murag So we have here our last club, the Syntax. So ang pinakauna na nila nga name or wala pa dito sila na panganlan, it is a programming club. So it is a new club. It was born this term. So bago pa ni siya, baby club pa ni siya, guys, Syntax, and we are really happy that a club, not a club, but the CSS organization tapped our Syntax Club for a collaboration. So we are really happy ba, and murag na stand mi gamay nga murag hala ka kana wala pa ta naka-start, but some organizations are already approaching us to do some collaboration. So we are really happy with that, and it is really useful, we can say that, because we have a subject sa ato ang ME, both CS and mechatronics nga programming, and usahay maglisod jud ta. Yes, maglisod jud ta, guys. So it is really a great space to learn or to practice your programming skills para di mo yes. Ay, Sir Base raised his hand. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Hi guys, I'm sorry to
sir.
interrupt you. I have to leave because I have another activity, project proposal hearing actually. But I'd like to reiterate what you have said earlier, that joining in a club actually helps you develop connections. That's very important. In the HR parlance, HR personnel ba? Okay, they love to see resume of applicants with a very long list of involvement while you are still in school. And that is why in being involved in any club actually helps you a lot. All right? Ako, kung HR personnel ko, when I look at your documents or your resume, so those are the things I want to see. Tanong ako ba, are you actively involved in student organizations? What is your kanang responsibility, member or officer, something like that? Okay, what seminars you have attended? You know, it speaks a lot actually. Of course, when you graduate, if you're a fresh graduate, you don't have yet the experience, right? Work experience ba? So, of course, the HR personnel will not ask for your experience, job experience, because you're a new graduate. But how could I know? How will I know that you are a potential member of my organization? It's actually your involvement in school. Aside from your grades, of course, grades matters, no? Ang grades matter gina. So, ang involvement actually is very helpful na siya because it will speak of who you are. Remember that. It will speak of who you are. And di ba I mentioned kanina kanang emotional quotient. That's very important nowadays. It's not only the IQ. IQ, taken na siya, kamao ka, something like that. But dealing with different people, that's another thing. That's another thing. A successful organization is an organization of highly collaborative ang nature sa atmosphere in that organization. So you need to deal with different types of people. Of course, we are raised differently by our parents, raised differently by our environment. But if you know how to adjust to different types of people with different behavior, that's a very big plus. And you will experience that while you're still a student, okay, by being actively involved in any student organization, especially in our GPSME or any clubs here. All right? So start building connections now by joining clubs. All right? Guys, that's all for now. I have to leave. Sorry for that because I have to attend some other meeting. All right?
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much,
Bye-bye.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
guys.
sir.
Thank you,
Bye, sir.
everyone.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
sir. So yes, again, guys, as what I've mentioned and Mr. Basse or Engineer Basse mentioned, it is really a great time to start building connections. So for our next slide, since we have our different clubs, at the eyes are all the clubs up open for everyone. So pwede ba mo-appeal ang non-ME if we have non-ME friends here, or for ME na jud siya. So we have clubs that are exclusive for our mechanical engineering students, and we also have clubs that are open to all technoids. So as long as you are an enrollee of CIT University, we have also clubs for you. So first, arita sa atua. So what are the clubs that are only for ME? So for ME, we have Metalino, and we have the MELI or the Art Esports Club. So dili pod meaning nga ang kani silang duha kay sila ray pwede apilan sa mga ME students. So kaning duha is the club that are exclusive for ME. So walay maka-appeal nga dili ME. But the ME students can also join, or the JPS ME members can also join all the other clubs. So the clubs that are open to all technoids are the Gavel Club, the Robotics, and our Programming or our Syntax Club. So kani sila kay very open to welcome other technoids from different departments. So at the ICE, you've mentioned earlier that if you are a GPSME member, you are free to join any club. So pila di ay ang bayad if you are not a member. So if you are a GPSME member, of course, as mentioned earlier, you are free to join all the clubs. So sayop di akong transition. So you are free to join all the clubs. But if you are not a JPSME member, but you are an ME student, then naagyapon tayo fee. So we have 20 pesos ra siya, guys. So kaya ra siya. But if you are going to join all the clubs, kay we have 5 clubs, nga ganahan ka mag-apil-apil gyud, bahala na di ka mo attend, ma-apil ka nya. 20 ang taga-usa. So, you have to pay 100 pesos. So, pamember lang sa GPSME, makasave pa ka. So, also, marketing 101 daw ni siya, guys. Also, for the other departments, since some clubs are open to all, so we have a fee for 25 pesos. But these are optional. Tentative pa siya as of now, guys. If you will fill up the membership form of each of the club, where you can also see that on our JPSME page, if you'll fill up that form, as you can see, kay wala pa siya murag about sa payment. So if you already filled up that form, then makita naman to nila ang data sa inyong email address. They will soon send you another form for the payment. Then adto na makita ang final payment for each club. But these payments are tentative. But for sure, sa ME students, kay ME man ta, na discounts no ang each club. Then sa other departments, kay di lang sa nato sa padak anong maayo, because we are all Tiknoys and one CIP here. So pagkamiyan lang nato siya. So that's the membership fees for all the clubs that you want to join but are free for JPSME members. So maura to siya, guys. Maura, muragwa na kung nakita na kung ganahan apilan. So we have here the last, it's not a club, but it is a special committee, and bag-o ra jud ni sila naka-decide, guys, that they will open their committee for new members. But they are limiting the number of members nga makasuot sa ilaha, since they also need to facilitate and oversee everyone inside their committee. Kay para makaibaw mo, this committee is the digital team. So what siya ni gawas? It is the digital team. So the digital team is responsible. Wala pa siya nakita. So the digital team is responsible for all the publication materials, all the publicity materials that you will see on any of the JPSME social media platforms. So all the pictures, edits, the videos that you can see on the page, on Twitter, on Instagram, YouTube of JPSME, it is made and made possible by our digital team. So it is a really crucial sad decision for them to accept new members, since each of the member of the digital team should be kailangan jud how do you call this, monitor sa ilang digital head and sa core group of the JPSME, since it is a really great responsibility sa kaninga team, kay kung unsay mapagawas nato sa atong social media platform, if ever nga masayop ta nga ug ka ng crucial nga mga sayop, if naay mga against nato sa netiquettes, kay it is really dili raman ang digital team ang makuan ana. So it is the whole JPSME, no? So ang ilahang trabaho jud kay, especially now that we are on our online setup, halos tanan nga announcements are through our social media platform. So dagan jud kaayo og trabahoon ang atong digital team. So they need manpower daw, so they want to open their committee for more members. And if mangutana mo sa ilang registration link or asa ilang forms, so wala pa ni sila ga-post, guys, karon pa ni nato gipahibaw. So congratulations sa mga nakahibaw na. So mag-post na ta sa atong page. So keep posted so sa JPSME page, so that you guys will soon fill up their registration form if you are interested to join their team. So mag-conduct sa sila og webinars for editing and anything about digital layouting and Photoshop, about that. So yes, and the like. So maybe that would be all. So I hope that everyone are encouraged, or at least na-introduce sila ang JPSME and clubs. So again, the link for our registration form is on screen, bit.ly JPS members, JPS member, JPSME So wala siya guys. So once again, good morning to everyone, to our freshies and to all my batchmates and sa faculty.
Tayo
Good morning.
nag-take quiz. Oh, shit.
Yes, good morning everyone guys, and thank you once again for joining today's club launching. Maybe that would be all. I hope everyone's having a good day, and since it's raining, keep safe everyone, and naay mga gabran outside sa ilaha, so stay safe. I'm giving back the mic to Abanto and Breath. Hello guys, thank you so much.
Abanto, your microphone is off.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Thank you so much, Miss President. Kuya kaya ning si Ate Ice, no? Kay bahalag brownout sa ilaha, and with the internet problems due to this rainy season, she is still able to attend and to greet us all and introduce our beloved organization, the JPSME. I hope nga ang mga ME Technoids kinaadiri kinaka-attend bita sa ato ang club launching last week, no? And speaking about last week, uy, Brett, what's mo chika sa ato first week nila?
Okay lang, first week a bit stressful, but coping well with my friends and my family here in the ME department, the GPSME or GTSME as we all call it for Joe. So to get to know more, we will be watching soon a short video presentation for each of the clubs. And before that, husgang guro ang mga net ani kay we are already at 57 here in the Zoom meeting. So we would also like to acknowledge the presence of our ME faculty as well as the GPSME advisors, engineers Angelo Acenas and Sheila Marie Bering. So good morning, ma'am and sir. And Abanto, ready na bata for the club videos?
Okay, to begin with our first video, it is actually the Metalino. Originally, they are our ates and kuyas whom we call our tutors or maragog superheroes. Sure, I mean, we are all superheroes in our own lives. Kani mga ates and kuyas nga naa sa Metalinos are the people who are willing to spread their knowledge and understanding about difficult topics. Kung raising pa need, they will always come clutching to help assist us in our needs. Well, let us not wait longer and let's get to know more about the Metalino. Roll VTR.
Hey there! Are you having a hard time? Or do you need some help? Say no more, because Metalino Club is here to help you out. We're here to lend a hand for you. Metalino is a sub-organization or a club of the Junior Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers, Cebu Institute of Technology University Chapter. It is famously known as the JPSME CITU. It is the official tutorial facilitator of Cebu Institute of Technology University's Mechanical Engineering Department. Metalino helps other technologists to develop and enhance their skills by leading a peer-facilitated workshop.
Metalino promotes learning enhancement to fellow technologians through peer-facilitated sessions where teamwork and cognitive skills are developed, and by doing so, hone them to become lifelong learners.
The learning sessions are usually conducted days prior to major examinations. From surveys, we select subjects that the students need the most help with. We then secure tutors who are willing to share their knowledge and understanding of the subject selected.
As a result, Metalino initiated this project to assist the students in their studies by providing another source of information related to their lessons. Hence, this project is deemed essential in aiding students in their studies, as college is considered a training ground that will help them in their future careers.
Metalino tutorial sessions provide services that guides and aids students of the Department of Mechanical Engineering of CIT University in enhancing their knowledge. Because of the said benefits, the students can now meet and even exceed their academic expectations.
Joining the club allows you to be informed of the upcoming sessions and join on them. You may also register as a tutor and help your fellow technologians in learning sessions. So, what are you waiting for? Register now and meet at Noise.
Step up. Make it count.
Step up, make it count.
Step up, make it count.
Step up, make it count.
Step up and make it count.
Step up and make it count.
Step up and make it count. Come and learn with us, because in the service of the Technologian community, Metalino remains.
Okay, so step up, make it count, learn with me, and learn with Metalino. So I can personally attest sa help ni Metalino nako because there were times nga makahilak jud ko, makaim ko nga kanang bugo jud ko or maglisto jud ko sa certain subjects that I need to improve on. And Metalino greatly helped me along with my friends. There are times na bisag way klase mo at to make school every Saturday to learn some sessions nga i-introduce sa Metalino namo or even study advanced subjects nga itudlo pod sa Metalino sa mga higher years. But for now, Metalino are having their online discussions. Also, naapoy mga videos na makita na po sa Facebook page nato. And Metalino is very helpful, and I hope that you would consider listening to their modules because it will really help you in your studies in this field of engineering. So, to move on to the next club, kani kay favorite jud kini nako because this is the club I'm most loyal to. Kani ra jud na club in member jud ko forever and until now for 4 years. So get to know more about Gavel Club and speak with us.
Are you the kind of person who likes to speak in English but don't have the venue to do it?
Are you waiting for the right time to speak in English without feeling embarrassed or troubled?
Or are you someone who wants to overcome your fear in public speaking?
Then join us in the Gavel Club.
The Gavel Club's mission. Our mission is to provide a mutually supportive environment in which every member has the opportunity to develop communication and leadership skills, which in turn fosters self-confidence and personal growth.
As stated by our mission, Gavel Club offers an avenue for developing communication skills, not just in English, but communication skills for all sorts of situations. It is also our mission to help out aspiring leaders to build and polish their leadership skills. We want Gavel Club to be a place for you to really grow in self-confidence, one step closer to becoming a well-rounded technologian.
Our goal is to help the Gavelers in improving their speaking and leadership skills by helping them in overcoming nervousness, presenting ideas logically and convincingly, developing self-confidence, listening to others attentively, and participating in and lead group discussions.
Gavel Club is jam-packed with modules and activities that will help you improve your speaking abilities, build leadership skills, reach your full potential, improve your writing capabilities, and boost your self-confidence and self-awareness. Gavel Club will train you how to communicate effectively in every situation. Your personal interaction will improve, and you'll be more convincing and confident when giving a speech. In Gavel Club, we can help you develop your personal and professional goals.
Hi there, I am Bran, Double Club member for 4 years. The club helped me in improving my communication skills, which in turn boosted my confidence. If you also wish to improve your oral skills, confidence, or just want to make friends, I do hope that this would encourage you, my fellow MEs, to consider being a part of the Gavel Club as we hone together our soft skills along with the technical ones while studying this field of engineering. So that's it, and I hope that you will speak with me and join Gavel Club.
Hi, my name is Ruby G, a fourth year BSMMX student and a Gavel Club member for 3 years. I joined the club for the following reasons. I am not good in English. I find it so hard to convey my thoughts and ideas into English words. I do not fear public speaking given enough time to prepare. However, when there are some moments when I am asked to say something on the spot or during unexpected moments like oral recitation, defense, or Q&A portion after reporting, that is when I get so intimidated. It prompted me to join the club, hoping that through their modules, I would be able to improve myself in this aspect. As what I have observed, it did work. That is why I encourage you all, especially the freshman students, to please register and become a member of the club for free. Get yourself equipped with this very important skill, the ability to speak fluently and confidently in front of an audience.
Hello, future Gaveliers. I am Gavelier John Lloyd, a fourth-year mechanical engineering student and a 3-year officer or member of the Gavel Club. If you're looking for a club that could boost your ability to speak the English language, then joining the club activities of the Gavel might be the right path for you. Speaking from experience, the Gavel Club and Toastmasters had helped me to be more open, to speak with confidence, and to finesse my English communication skills. A brief history: did you know that the program of the Gavel Club was based on the session of the Toastmaster International? So if you are interested, please join us and speak with us here at the Gavel Club.
When we are alive, we are granted an opportunity to always someday bring the biggest impact and the biggest change into our lives. And this is it. Come and take the step into becoming a better version of yourself.
Join Gavel Club, where you may hone your speaking skills and realize your full potential.
I am Van, and I am your Gavel Club headmaster. So, what are you waiting for?
Speak with me.
Hashtag speak with me lang sa kalang. As an alumni or as a 3-year member or officer of the Gavel Club, I could still remember like what I have mentioned in the video, how the Gavel Club has finessed my English communication skill. The opportunity to speak in front of our fellow Technoids and converse with them is truly gratifying. Talking about skill, our next club to introduce is a club for those enthusiasts of understanding the basics of robotics. I could still remember when I was still very active sa mga clubs sa JPSME, ang robotics ang isa sa mga pinaka-look forward to nako since me myself is a big fan of Marvel, specifically Iron Man. Plus, nalang jud ni ang atong kurso no nga mechatronics student pud ta. Bitaw, it's like hitting 2 birds with one club. Char. Let's get to know more about our ates and kuyas sa robotics and roll VTR.
So, what did you expect here in Robotics Club? Maybe we'll be able to make robotic arms, bots, line follower bots, or obstacle avoiding bots. Or how about simpler devices like an electronic ruler, small weather station, an electronic door lock, or just automate all your devices at home? Or how about building our own quadcopter drone? But first and foremost, we will learn how these components work to bring those projects alive. Some of these components are light sensors, temperature sensors, pressure sensors, and ultrasonic sensors. There will also be motors, stoppers, servos, and a whole bunch more. We will learn these components using the Arduino as our platform. Here are the examples of what the previous club members have learned.
Thank you so much for that, Robotics Club. So, Robotics Club helped me and na-orient po ko ani on C# programming language as well as the basics of Arduino, which proved useful in the programming 1 and 2, also sa logic circuit design. And as BSME Mech student, naami daghan na ES subs and ECE subs. So if you are also a Mech student, you may want to consider joining Robotics Club. So the next club that we will be presenting to you is the Syntax, which is a new club all about programming. So it is also very helpful because there are times na wala may kaibaw unsaon pag-implement ang certain codes or program, and we do hope that through Syntax, this new club, you will be able to learn more about programming, and you may also ask for help to the members because lisod pud magkaton og programming, especially now nga online classes na. So roll BTR.
Good day everyone, my name is Ronald A. Reyes, the headmaster of this newly formed ME Programming Club, Syntax Club. So why syntax? In programming, syntax means the correct way of writing code. If you forgot one symbol such as semicolon, it will not run or you will get syntax error. Syntax teaches us to be critical in programming. Here in the club, we want you to learn where to put programming in your own field of expertise so that you won't encounter any problem and use it into your advantage. This club is established this school year 2021 with the following mission and vision: to generate hands-on quality sessions, exciting activities, and desktop applications necessary in maximizing the students' learning process. Our mission is a statement of what we can offer. So we can give you an interactive learning as much as possible, fun and excitement through our games and contests, and also desktop applications which focuses on solving problems such as in engineering. So our vision, a programming club that gears towards honing students to be competent and effective in their fields through the programming skills acquired. Now let's meet our officers. So the headmaster, that's me, Ronald A. Reyes. Assistant headmaster, Christian Lawrence Cantos. Secretary, Cherry May Escobedo. Treasurer, Mel Grace Barcelo. Auditor, Christian James Pantonian. PIO, Christian Arnold Riyumpa. So what lies ahead? We have virtual learning sessions. So this is an interactive learning between mentors and participants. So this or games and content. Auditor, Christian James, learning between mentors and participants. So this is in collaboration with CSS, Computer Science Society of CITU. Since most of our registrants are from CSS and Mechatronics, expect that most of our mentors will be from both fields. We have languages, C#, and also you can make your own apps in Windows 4. Next is we have desktop applications. It is the output of this club to create useful applications that will solve real-life problems, especially in engineering and other fields. So here is an example. We are developing this application called Unicon. It is specifically designed for ME students to help them with conversion problems and also to practice using this platform. So we have unit converter that shows the solution. We have conversion table tab and also a practice tab in order for the students to practice more randomly about conversion problems. For fun games and activities, we have Soccerbot Contest. It is in collaboration with Robotics Club. So here, you will learn how to code this simulation for you to join our contest, which will be held on December. Now, who can join? So it is open to all students of Cebu Institute of Technology University. There shall be a membership fee of 30 pesos for ME and CS students and 50 pesos for non-ME and non-CS students. So be a member now. So if you have any questions, clarifications, or suggestion, you can ask it right now. Thank you.
Ooh, sana all na anay syntax club, no? I could still remember the struggle learning the different languages of programming. Mabulol na magani ko sa pagsuyo sa English kani pa kahampag type sa C# and company sa. Talking about struggle karong uwan, I hope na kaning atong mga ME Technoy nga online gamers kay dili mas just. The constant changes in our weather can really cause lag in our internet, not to the point nga ang imong ping tagaduwa kay mura na og Christmas light sa pag-ilis-ilis og colors. Or in some instances, nagduwa kag Valorant. Ang syagit sa imong kauban, careful Haven ha, careful do sa Haven, kinay operator. Ha? Pero too late, kay pag-abot mo sa mid, kina-headshot pa jud ka. Mo na pa jud ka nga lag, ligi na tungod sa lag. Lag ba jud ka na or basin sa skill jud na nimo makuwang. Nanghagit bitaw ako. Okay, anyways, our next club is about online gaming. So if you are an online gamer or an enthusiast, please consider joining the ME League. Roll VTR.
Oh, can't you see we're running out of time? You gotta lose your mind if you think you're doing fine.
I am Harry Paredes, your ME League headmaster. ME League is a sub-organization under the Junior Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers CITU chapter. Our club serves as the official esports league for ME students of CITU. Our club offers to promote camaraderie to its members through various video gaming tournaments. As such, we have prepared a short video clip to show you what games we offer, as well as the benefits the club has to its members, and what is more in store with the league.
So that's it for the respective clubs of the JPS MACITU chapter. So just a little bit of fun fact, naami duha ka club sa una, MEBA, which is short for ME Basketball and Volleyball Association. But sadly, due to the pandemic, the crush out lang sa ang MEBA. So laylo lang sa ang club, but hopefully if mag face-to-face classes na kay i-revive ra pud ni sa next nga president sa GPSME. So I guess ang time na to ron is 10:32 and we don't have much time for the Q&A portion. So if should you have any questions, you may ask the katong mga persons na nagtabi sa katong each club or contact the Facebook page sa GPSME and ask them in orientation na sa respective clubs. So we do hope that you would join certain clubs. And now we are ready for the induction ceremony of the first year officers. So nag-induction naman ta pag last week. So now ang mga first year officers na po na itong induction. So John Lloyd Abanto.
Okay, so we're requesting all of our first year students officer to please turn on their microphones and cameras for the oath taking to be led by our faculty member of the ME Engineering Department and an advisor of the GPSME. She is no other than Engineer Sheila Marie Beric. A warm welcome of applause, please. Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, good morning. Am I audible on your end?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
Okay, so may I request the host to can you please share the certificate for everyone to read the Okay, so again, may I request all the incoming officers to please turn on their cameras and your microphones for the induction ceremony. Okay. So I hope everyone is turning on their cameras already. I'm not choppy ko sa inyong end or dili ra.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, shall we start? I'm not seeing any student man turning on their cameras. Okay. Okay, shall we start? Just please raise your right hand and repeat after me. So first, let me read the citation. Cebu Institute of Technology University, Junior Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers, CIT University chapter. So this is the induction ceremony, oath of office. So please repeat after me. Raise your right hand. I state your name. Having been appointed to the position of the Junior Philippine Society of Mechanical Engineers, CIT University chapter, do hereby solemnly swear that I will conscientiously and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability duties and responsibilities of my office. that I will uphold and defend the organization's constitution and bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will obey and enforce the law, rules and regulations and policies of the organization, and that I shall impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily and without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. So congratulations, newly inducted officers, and I hope that you will do your best, no, do your for the position niya na assign mo. So thank you so much and God bless us all.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Sheila Marie. And also to our officers, congratulations for being appointed, for being an officers for your batch. As the program is coming to a close, we hope that our guest audiences are vying to join our different clubs here at the GPSME. Please do not forget to register and be a part of our organization. At this juncture, to officially end our program, let us welcome a faculty member of the ME department and also an advisor of the GPSME. He is no other than Engineer Angelo Asenas. A round of applause, please. Oh, okay. It seems that. Okay. Hello, sir. Good morning.
I got that lost. Okay, congratulations, first and foremost, to all of the officers. I know that you are very busy right now, no, with your fourth year subjects, but you are still able to pull off all the resources, the time to really make this club launching happen. You also have a lot of activities last week, so I'm sure that this is really a sacrifice, but I salute you for the work, Joyce and Adrian, all the people behind this virtual club launching. So I believe all of the new members and officers of the organization is already aware of the responsibility, the task now that is upon you. But just like what Engineer Basi said, take this as a way to really develop yourself. I encourage you, I challenge you to take on responsibility, to think of clubs that you are passionate about, you're interested, and you can focus now, just like what our host did. They were very loyal to a club. I believe they know what they really wanted to in the future. So I think that would be all. I hope that everyone is safe wherever you are right now. And again, congratulations. See you again in our next virtual activities. Congratulations, everyone, for being here.
Okay, thank you so much, Sir Angelo, for that wonderful closing remarks. I hope that the people again who are in this event or in this Zoom meeting would be interested in joining us in the GPSME. Now, Christian Beth, what is the next highlight for this event?
So as the program is coming to an end, we would like to request everyone to turn on your cameras if you wish to turn on for our photo opportunity.
Okay, reminding everyone or requesting everyone to again turn on their cameras. Isahin ko ay wala dito on silang cameras. No, dapat mag-selfie punta for documentation.
Hi!
And ayaw sa mapaghawa ha, kay naabi at mga certificate na gihatag. So please answer our evaluation to be provided by our technical team here at our Zoom meeting. Please could drop sa link sa atong evaluation form, guys. Pansiran nato sila sa ato ang mga guests because again, they are our certificates are magically generated in our computer para sa masan ninyo, no, for your attendance. Okay, ready na ba ang atong technical team para sa ato ang photo opportunity? Okay. Camera ay mag-counting ani. Sige, camera ay mag-counting kinsa tong Sige, uli ha sa tanan. Okay, 1, 2.
Sige, I'll count to.
Advertise natin.
Okay, good morning everyone. Sige. Show your biggest smile in 3, 2, 1. Okay, just retain your smile for about 4 seconds or 5 seconds, guys. Okay, show your biggest smile in next slide. Show your biggest smile in 3, 2, 1. Smile. Okay, one last slide. Show your biggest smile in 3, 2, and 1. Smile. Okay, thank you so much, guys.
Okay, naka-answer na ba ka? Wait, wala pa na-stand ang atong link para sa evaluation form. Ako na lang stand, guys, ha? Okay. Please do again answer our evaluation form para intal sa iyong certificates. Okay, let's give them a little bit of time, about 2 minutes or such. Hi. Okay.
Sila yung certificate madawat auto-generated if after answering the evaluation form.
Yes.
So, answer sa mo guys.
Ha? Okay, laban na guro niya sila, Brett. Laban na guro niya sila, no? Okay. Okay, that's it. And I hope nga nag-enjoy na mo sa ato ang virtual club launching. And once again, I am John Lloyd Abanto. And
Beth Burgos, reminding you all that when life gives you lemons,
another door open. It is everyone.
Abanto, wahi na.
Please answer the evaluation
Good
form,
day,
guys.
everyone. My name is Ronald A. Reyes, the headmaster of this newly formed ME Programming Club, Syntax Club.
Okay.
Thank you, guys. Congratulations to everyone. Thank you to all the attendees, the participants, to the faculty, to everyone. Congratulations sa working committee.
Congrats po Ate Eyes.
Bago ra jud ni balik ang kuryente kung sa tanahuman.